Alright guys, so here's the screw cutting fixture that I made for the bandsaw. I think we all find ourselves at one point or another trying to cut these screws down for whatever given reason. But, we're either burning our fingers trying to grind it down on the grinder or trying to hold it in a wonky way on the bandsaw. So I figured, it'd be nice to just have a way to hold the screw nice and squarely in the bandsaw. And here we are just cutting a 1024, and it shears it really nice and square. Honestly, doing this project for me was just kind of an excuse to use my pantograph and engrave all those screw sizes on the face of this part. But it is going to come in handy to cut these screws down once in a while. And here we're just going to cut a 3/8/16 screw here. This is just a piece of all thread, and just going to kind of grub screw it in the side there, and then just put it in the bandsaw. Here we go, just shear it off. And I will, use this tool frequently, I'm sure. But again, it was a really good excuse for me to kind of get some practice in on the pantograph.